Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 29, 2023 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong September 29, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Friday, September 29, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 29, 2023 Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 55 million pesos for Friday, September 29, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of September 29, 2023 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.